Alright, what is up everyone? Here's a quick guide on how to make a watermark in Canva. Here I have my logo for my channel and I have a background, but I want this to just be a watermark that I can export to use for whatever reason I need be or for the future use. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we are going to want to make our watermark into a circle. And the way we're going to want to do this is we are going to want to hit elements. We're going to want to scroll down to frames and add this circle here. And then this will be our picture frame. And we're going to drag and drop our logo into this picture frame. Now look at that. It looks great as a circle. And then the next step is we are going to lower the transparency because this is a watermark. We are going to want to add like 50% transparency. And we are going to move it to the bottom right so it's always just there and it's not obstructing the view of whatever is going on. Finally, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make the background transparent, and we're going to do this by setting the background color and then going to document colors and then setting the background color to FFFFF, and there we go. And then finally, we're going to go to the top right and we're going to click share. This is important. When you go to download, after clicking share, you're going to want to make sure that the page is a PNG. And after it's a PNG, we click transparent background, which you need Canva Premium for. And then we're going to click download. Now, after we open it, we see that we have a nice watermark image here and it's done quite easily. So I hope that helped out. Do not subscribe to me.